Hi there, students. To Xertz, to Xertz. To drink quickly, to knock back, to yeah, so to drink enthusiastically, to drink heartily, to knock back. Okay, so this is the idea of to Xertz. I think to Xertz, this is probably a neologism. It doesn't appear in most dictionaries. It does appear in the Wiktionary, and it's been suggested for the Collins, but they haven't actually included it yet. So to Xertz, to glug down, to drink with enthusiasm, to drink quickly. So we didn't have a lot of time before our flight, so we Xertzed a couple of pints and then went to the boarding gate. Okay, so to Xertz, to knock back, to gulp down greedily. Yeah, the pub was full of patrons Xertzing beers at an incredible pace. Okay, so they were Xertzing their beer, they were knocking it back, they were drinking with great enthusiasm, with great gusto and enjoyment. So to Xertz something, to drink back, to knock back, to enjoy a pint, but very quickly. Yeah, the landlord said that it was time to shut, so we Xertzed what we had left and left. Xertzing a few pints before watching the match or during the match can be quite a fun thing to do. Let's see, formality. I think this is probably quite informal. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5. Use it informally, in an informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation, I don't think so. Yeah, so just use this phrase informally. As to origin, I honestly don't know. I've looked for an origin, but I can't find it. I'd be very happy if somebody could give me an origin for it. So, to Xertz, glug 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 glug. Yeah, you see the Brits drinking beer in the pub. Yeah, they're Xertzing pints all evening. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Xertz, to Xertz.